Everyone, welcome to Huazhen Fastener. Here is Sharon. In the last video, we talked about quenching. Now we are going to explain tempering. In short, to temper is to make hardened drywall screws become resilient, then not to break and crack easily. Tempering temperature is approximately 200 degrees Celsius. The control of temperature must be emphasized particularly. Tempering is the reheating process of drywall screws after they have been heat treated and hardened to release interior stress, so to soften and improve plasticity. The structural and characteristic changes caused by tempering depend on the reheated temperature. The higher temperature, the stronger effect. Of course, only experienced factory has the most suitable temperature. During the process, nails will be rinsed by warm water and go through oil sinks and carbon potentiometer, both controlled by the most accurate digital. We boast the most advanced instruments to monitor in every step of the procedure. By combining quenching with tempering, the inner part of metal reaches or gets close to a balanced state, therefore to achieve excellent performance. Is it understood? Thanks for watching.